Bosumenimu ewo afi empinuni aduonu miensan ya ewo miye mu no dwumade sonko bekoso ewo Nkra Hase International Conference Center Nkra Kropom Hase na nyina no eye Full Gospel Businessmen Fellowship International ena wo mo ekeka emema wo mo di dwa ne kase mu meche businessmen beburu beye empim yinu okeka wo mo nyina bom do ma bepiem wo Nkra Hase na wo mo ye dwumade sonko kra na Adom Kasee edieche
Full-time Gospel Businessmen Fellowship International Ghana eye ekuo bi a ejodifo ma ene mema wonom ewo ewiase afanan baabi a wonom age Kristo se wonom kra no wonom age nkwa ene wo mu a ebre ene bra no wonom ehia edwendwene wonom edwadie ho ekuo iganya chapter ada wonom World Conference a etoso aduasa baako adi na wonom hwe ne mu kwan se kita onsabo so meda etoso dumiensa ekosine da etoso dunum afimpinu ene eduonum yensan mu ena wonom ebedi se adwuma no ewo Accra International Conference Center ya eno ena ye ne etoso mienu a waye bi ewo Africa hanom a ne edin kan no wonom eye no Nigeria man mu Ben Roxen National Secretary ema ekuyi woni ama ne boni twetwe nkomo a wodi nsem bi eto nanim
shimebe show he no kwakwan say every year bia in the history of the Full Gospel Businessmen Fellowship International no yeah, World Convention. Now, I feel World Convention, the 2023 World Convention, yeah, Ghana, Accra from the 13th to the 15th of July 2023. Yeah, Ghana. What is going to happen, the benefits we will get, what Full Gospel is also doing across the world, and now, you expecting for us, very prophetic. Very prophetic in the sense prophecies concerning Ghana as a nation where a lot of prophecies can say in the end times Ghana will be a place nyankopon ho konkronu bedi dwumapi akọ ewiase afana nyinara
Osan kato aso se saa nhyiemu a wo beye no enye se wono mu hyiemu no abompa ye keke ne mum wono mu kwakire afoforo kwan obefa so adidwa na wasan so akire mabunu ekwan obefa so adidwa enya mu mfa so
obi na dwumbe se bia ye conventional na ebompa ye nko am ye be more than that ye be business forum ye be church how to conduct your business the way of the Lord a person no credie ejuma as people of the world ye be church ejumedi with the youth in the nation and across the nations. Ye mesiafo kan yekuo no hunu so ye be church how they will conduct themselves in their family life, in their business life, in their marriage life, and in their personal life.